Oh, I lost connection. It's gonna crash. Tower American 123 just had to abort or take off. Request tax back to 8. All right, now it's like the best part of the build. I get to finally add the EDFs. I want to thank my sponsor for this video, Banggood, for sending me these EDFs. These are two 70mm 4-cell EDFs. And then they also sent me these Emax servos and two 80-amp ESCs for this build. So make sure to go check out Banggood. The link to the parts that I used for this plane are in the description below. I'm going to get back to this build and get this thing ready to fly. Wow, check this out, guys. Doesn't this look sweet? Got a couple more things to do, finish up, and then we'll get this thing out and see how it flies. Alright guys, as you just saw, that was a ton of work. Months went into the project, from design work to printing it to now assembling it and seeing it out here fully assembled with the decals on it. Looks amazing. And make sure you hit subscribe to my channel. I have a buy me a coffee page if you guys like what I do. Thank you guys to everyone that supported me. So let's see how it flies. All right, all the hard work comes down to this. Just see if it flies. I lost engine power. Oh, I lost connection. Oh, I lost connection. It's gonna crash. I lost connection. Almost hit the car. Well, it flew pretty good, holy cow.
It was flying awesome.
Even though it lost connection, it still like glided good. I had it trimmed out good. And, oh, that's a bummer to lose it like that. I mean, with lost connection, I don't know what happened there, but. Stayed together pretty good, actually. Geez, the tail all stayed on and crashed the nose gear, broke the nacelles off. I guess the rear airliner is supposed to have the engines break off too, so. Jeez, look at it. Oh, the battery melted. Look at this, see that? See how it's all overheated, and look at the battery exploded. The cell blew up or something. Because look at, this is all, oh yeah, this melted. So this is the wire right here, see that?
So it's a bad battery.
Yeah, like the battery melted and it was alongside the side of here. And I think it looks like the battery exploded, must have. And then, yeah, the battery like exploded, melted that, you know, which then lost signal to the ESC or to the receiver. And then there it is. I mean, honestly, for the crash, I mean, look at the plane, it's still in one piece. I can cut the tail off and save the tail. I mean, it's fine. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. STLs, you can purchase them from the description below. Thank you guys to everyone that's followed me along on this on my Instagram and everything else, and we'll see you guys in the next build. That's a good one. That's all smoky and burnt.
Is this its nose tip? It is.
What's up?
It's nose tip.
You got it? You found it?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. That's cool. Dang.
Is it full of dirt?
Well, it's got retracts now. It held together pretty good for that hard a crash. I mean, the tail is still super strong. I mean, the nose obviously it crashed nose first. So I mean, because I mean, this is all single construction. There's no carbon fiber spar in the entire fuselage. The whole thing is 3,300 grams, which is actually lighter than the foam one you can buy. The foam, it has like there's a foam ready to fly model you can buy, and this is actually lighter than that. This 3D printed out of regular PLA. So I mean, look at it, it's still super strong. I can just glue the wings back on it and we'll fly it again. Put a fresh battery in, of course, but you know. Wow, well that was fun, you guys. It's part of the hobby. See you guys.